Alright, so I haven't made a video in a long time. The reason, well, there's a lot of reasons, but one of the main ones was I didn't really like the way the videos were turning out. The sound was terrible. I had an issue with my camera's sound. And so this is sort of an experimental video where I'm going to test out how it turns out using my cell phone. And if that doesn't work out well, then I will go back to the other camera. I've got an independent audio recorder that I can use that should make for a better result. But I'm going to see how this phone does. And yes, I've actually shot a video of this fan before, but since this is sort of a experimental stage that I'm in right now, I figured why not revisit. So this is a Galaxy 3714 maybe. Date stamp 1972. In the avocado green, no less. It is a fan that I got off a friend online a couple years ago. Overall, it's in decent shape. The paint has kind of seen better days, but it's not terrible. The little sticker is starting to come off there. Let's see about this fan. Try to turn it around here without making a problem. There's the back. The brace covers up the motor. It's got a sealed bearing in the back, but it is an RMR motor. I've been using this, mostly just this fan this summer. I don't know why. It's just an easy fan to use. It's a 2-speed fan, hence 3714. High, low, and off. I'll go ahead and run it on high, then low, and then off to show you. It is a decent breeze. A little bit noisy, but and a little bit rattly. They don't use screws on this grill, but it feels pretty nice. And watch it spin down. The camera can't pick up the way the blades actually look when they're spinning. But yeah, this fan, that's one of the things I don't really like about these early plastic Galaxies, is that they have the plastic grates actually just, you squeeze them and you bend them and they pop in and out. They don't actually even use screws. It's incredibly stupid, but whatever. It looks okay. And yeah, that's my 3714 Galaxy from 1972. I hope this video turns out decent. Right now, just kind of experimenting. Trying to get lighting correct and make it look decent is a bit of a challenge. It's a work in progress. But depending on how this video turns out, and I'll probably try to do some more. I never got around to really shooting a video of all my fans, so that's pretty much what's going on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.